Again, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one, the only, DBL Nick.
In the house, also known as the Rainmaker.
And it's not a show. It's not a show, doubles. Unless you unleash the bushy-tailed Serengeti specialist. We lovingly call her DBL Moms.
Hey!
Oh, you could do better than that. DBL Moms.
Hey!
Why are you recording that? Why are you recording that, DBL Moms? DBL Moms is recording that. I didn't poke you. Come on now. Come on now. I'm not a poker. I didn't poke you. That don't even sound right, DBL. Next, don't sound right. Brother, Brother, So, if you're not following us on YouTube, could you please follow us on YouTube and do what this young man says?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Because sharing is caring. It helps the stream grow, and it helps us put out more content for y'all. So, share, please. And you can also follow us on Twitter, a.k.a. Twitch. No, a.k.a. X.
AKA X, yeah.
A.k.a. X.
Not Twitch.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're also on Twitch at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Yeesh. And, of course, we'll be multi-streaming on all our social medias. All our social medias until around 9:25 Eastern Standard Time. And then we're going to go and take it to our Discord. And we politely invite you to take advantage of our special that will allow you to see our live stream as well as get all of our picks early. We call a lot of bangers a lot of times. You know that. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. It's a $1 trial for 5 days, 20 cents a day, just saying. And that offer is going to be expiring in the next few days. I know we've been saying that, but it really truly is going to be expiring within the next few days. So that offer will be vanishing. So if you're on the fence, go ahead and take care of it and do it now. Yeah, do it now. Do it now. Let's go and take a look at what's going on. BSLK is the leading gainer. It went up 161%, but you could see right now that it formed a double top.
Oh.
We don't like them double tops, do we, doubles?
We like double bottom.
We want the bottom action, baby. Little bottom action. Little bottom. Double bottoms, not double tops. Double tops generally are bearish patterns, and we don't like bearish patterns because usually they result in flusheroos like what's going on right now with BSLK. BSLK's got a 5 million float. 14 million volume, and it's currently up 107%, $4.29. And we don't see any news. We don't see any news on it. No. So that's the story. Okay, all right. You look bearish. You ran 160%. Okay, all right.
What have you done for me lately?
What have you done for me lately? Huh?
What have you done for me lately?
Lately, what have you done for me? Let's go to BOF. BOF, baby. BOF. Currently up 32%. Branch out food deliveries. Shareholder update 2024. Revenue surge 640% in the first half. Poised for continued growth and debt elimination by Q4 2025. Pretty nice news. Pretty nice news. That came out at 5 o'clock in the morning. Eastern Standard Time. Float, not bad. Not bad. 4.7 million. Volume, 12 million. Only 12 million. Only 12 million. So, currently up 51. Wait a minute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bringing it back. Bring back BOF. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm reading over here. What's wrong with you? Bushy tail Serengeti specialist. She's salivating for another one. So not much going on with this ticker right now. We're just going to go ahead and give it a little bit of one of these joints right here. But we do see that it does have a double top on the 5 minute. And we don't like double tops, baby.
We like double bottom.
We want some bottom action. So BOF, okay, all right, okay. Now show me what you want to show me. Show me. Show me what you want to show me. You were putting up another ticker, DBL Moms. You're slipping here. You're slipping. You're slipping. You're slipping. She's slipping. She wanted to show me AGRI. So we'll take a look at AGRI. I don't know. It looks like it went around the corner and down the bend. And what's that thing? Well, how did Andrew Dice Clay say it? Jack and Jill went up the hill, each with a bucket and a quarter.
Jill came back with 250.
250. She came back with 250. Took it from AGRI. Okay, no good. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. All right, you bothered me with AGRI, bushy tail. And meanwhile, it's going down. It's going downtown. Okay. All right. I don't want to talk about that. I got another ticker I want to talk about. So let's talk about some other runners that ran this morning. JBDI. JBDI. All right. JBDI. All right. So it formed the head and shoulders. It went up 87%. There's your cabeza. There goes, I don't know how you say shoulders in Spanish, but sholdita. There's your sholdita. Your head and sholdita. Your head and sholdita. So it's up currently only 16%. It is a 640,000. Actually, we don't know what the float is. The volume is 640,000, so not a lot of volume. Not particularly schmexy at this juncture, even though it did go up 87%. It's currently trending downward. You could see that it is trending downward. It needs to break this trend line to become appealing again. Let's go to SVRE. All right. It's just trending down. It's going downtown. So let's clean up this chart a little bit, a little bit. Let's remove some of this graffiti and put some of brand new graffiti. And we can basically see that it is continuing to trend downward, and it too needs to break a downtrend. Seems to be the flavor of the day. Let's go to BNZI. BNZI. Also, very similar type of situation over here. It too is trending downward. It went up and then it went down. It went up and it went down. It broke its neck. Could it have done a public offering? I don't know. I have no idea. But what I do know is it's trending down. So it needs to break that downtrend. And of course, even if it does break that downtrend, there's going to be a tremendous amount of resistance right over here. So we can get the graffiti pencil out and activate it a little bit. Yeah, right here. So right over here, there would be resistance. Right over here, there would be resistance. Right there, a little bit of resistance right there. And then, of course, the VWAP would be a significant resistance area. So, V-Rax. Yo, V-Rax. Monkey. Box. Monkey box. Okay, so we already had some levels drawn from when the monkey box stonk ran earlier, what, about a week ago or something like that, a couple of days ago. All right, so here's the story. Let's get rid of this line right over here. Let's get rid of it. Let's clean this up a little bit. Yay. Clean it up. So it seems to be trending a little bit upward. Let's go ahead and put a little trend line right there. This is the 5-minute doubles. We're going to go to the 1 minute. Take a look at it. Let's see what's going on the 1 minute. See, I don't like the way it looks on the 1 minute, because over here on the 1 minute, it looks like it has a shoulder over here. Looks like it has a cabeza over here and another shoulder. And in Spanish, I say shoulderita. A shoulderita. A little shoulderita action going on. But it is trending upward. It is above VWAP. Let's see what the situation is. VRAX currently up 25%. Float 1.3 million. Volume 8 million. 8 million. Do we have any news? I don't see any news on it. I did hear that there was some rumor that there was some news. Not verified, so we're going to leave it like it doesn't have any news. But AC does. I like AC. And if you like AC, why not do it twice? AC. But I don't like the fact that the volume dropped. This is a business combination, special acquisition company, but it seems to have broken its neck over here. You could see that it went downtown. So not much to talk about. Not a lot of volume. Up 39%. But what have you done for me lately, baby? Let's go back to. Now I'm going to do AGRI. Bushy tail specialist. Now we'll do it. Okay. Now we'll do it. AGRI. Okay. This is a 10-cent, 9-cent stock. A little wild. It's a little wild, no? Little crazy, but it is forming a potential pennant. Let's take a look at this. It's a little bit of a pennant situation. We would want to see it stay above the bottom part of the pennant. That would be your support. This area up here would be your resistance. It is going to be a extremely volatile stock at 9-10 cents. Currently up 44%. The float is a little bit on the heavy side at 91 million. But again, we're talking about a 9-10 cent stock. So volume under 60 million. They completed an acquisition of a Radical Clean Solutions. Okay, all right. That's 8 o'clock news. So that's the story. And but right now it needs what I like to call volume, and it is breaking the support area at the bottom. So like that. I'll put it on the side chart just because it's a cheapo stock, and I know folks like to see them cheapo stocks do something. But you're not doing what I need you to do. You're breaking down on the support line, and I'm getting a little annoyed. So I'm going to have my not espresso ice today.
Oh.
No, I'm going to have my iced coffee with leche.
Oh. It's an imposter.
Mm.
He's an imposter.
Delish. Every now and then you got to change it up. Change it on up. Hey, who do we use for the coffee with the milk? What coffee brand we use? Dunkin' Donuts. Hit me up, y'all. Sponsorship. I love Dunkin' Donuts, but I tell you what, Starbucks, I start loving you if you give me some sponsorship. Yeah. Even though I hate your coffee, but I would, because your coffee is nasty as your coffee is nasty as AF. But if you gave me a sponsorship,
it'd be the most delicious thing.
Holy moly! Yes, I could be bought, folks. Yes. Praise be the Lord. Págame mucho, págame ahora, págame rápidamente. Yeah, baby. Yeah. BOF.
That's what he says when he invests in the stock.
Págame, baby. Págame. All right, so we got a top over here, a top over there, and another top right there, folks. Let's put it on the 5-minute doubles.
5 minutes.
All right, we're on the 5-minute, and on the 5-minute, it looks simply like a double top. So it's coming up to resistance right around the 103. We would need to see it break through 103. It broke through 103. Here we go, folks. Branch Out Food delivers shareholder update 2024. Revenue surge 640%. What did I say? Revenue surge 640% in first half. Poised for continued growth and debt elimination by Q4 2025. Float not too shabby. Not too bad. No, not too bad. Wait, what is it? Float 4.7 million. Not bad, folks. Volume. Okay, for pre-market 15 million, but we got a top tail on the 5. We don't like top tails doubles. We like the bottom tails. Kind of reclaim the wick. Reclaim it, baby. Go and get it. You got this. Hold on. We're going to get the graffiti pencil for you. I need you to jump over this red line right here. Right here. There's a bone for you. Go for it. Jump over it. Come on. Fetch. Do it. You can do it. 57%. Come on. Don't toy with my emotions. I got poples over here watching. Poples are watching. Poples. Peoples are watching. Come on, you're giving me a top tail. We don't like top tails. I'm going to be so sad. So sad. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see what's going on with the 1 minute. Let's check it out. All right, so 1 minute, we could see that the RSI is certainly in the overbought area. Right over here is the RSI line, and this candle is turning red. We do have prevailing large green candles. However, on the 1 minute, we have two top tails. It is pulling back. Can it stay above this area right here, which was the previous level that it was at? Can it stay above that? Nah, it seems like it's not doing it. So, wait. Oh, I mean, it does look like a cup and handle. It does look like, folks, let me get the graffiti pencil out. It does look like a cup and handle. It's pushing. It's pressing. It's pumping. It's currently up 61%. But it is moving slow as a dickens. Slow. Huh, why is it doing that, Doubles? Why is the screen flickering? The screen is flickering on me. Come on, 61%, 61%. Oh, this is way too boring. Okay, 61% for BOF. We'll come back to you. I like the title. I like this. I like that it surged 640% in first half. I like that. I like the fact that the volume is now over 16 million. I like the fact that the float is just under 5 million. I like that. I like that. What I don't like is a top tail. I am an aficionado of a bottom tail. Okay? Double bottoms and bottom tails doubles. Would you concur?
Yes.
Yes, we are bottom tail aficionados. BTAs. That's what we are. BTAs. But right now we have top tails, and this is becoming less than desirable. So we're going to go to another ticker because you're upsetting me. You're upsetting me. All right. Let's check out VRM. VRM. Let's check that one out. Let's go. VRM. No. Forget about it. Forget about it. AMBA. I'm just doing this to check different things out. It had formed a pennant. It shot up. Kind of an expensive stock. Meh. All right, forget about it. It's not tantalizing me. It's not making me feel warm and fuzzy inside. Let's go to the other ticker, the leading gainer of the day. This one is like bipolar. BSLK. BSLK. Double top.
Yeah, that one.
Double top. Downtrend. Barcoding. No bueno. No me gusta, no me lico. I know lico it. No, baby. No, baby. Not for me. VRAC. Go back to VRAC. What's going on? It formed a head and shoulders pattern, and it broke down on the trend line. No surprise there, doubles. No surprise there. Can it maintain $6? Can it stay above a VWAP, which is at $5.98? Let's call it $6 for argument's sake. I don't know. To me, it looks like it's bearish. It looks bearish. I don't want to be a bearer of bearish news, but I'm being a bearer of bearish news because it looks bearish. Looks like it's going to go down. That's what it looks like to me. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But it broke the trend, and it's not friends with the trend, and it has a head and shoulders. This is what it looks like on the 1 minute. This is what it looks like on a 5 minute. Let's zoom to the room, and you can see clearly head and shoulders, downtrend. It's trying to break the trend. I mean, that, maybe. VRAC's up 25%. Okay, whatever.
Yep.
SVRE. Come on now. I need my coffee ice. If you're having fun, folks, would you share the stream, por favor? Please share it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, SVRE trending downward. Let's see what the story is with this. This is a 27-cent stock, currently up 18%. Float on the thicker side, but again, it is a cheapo stock. 11, almost 12 million. Volume, 11.5 million. There's your rub right there. Savor one. Earnings per share of NIS 21. Revenue of NIS 48 mil. That's August 27th. That was the news. But it's not moving the needle right now. So, forget about it. Forget about it for now. BOF had that double top. It pierced through the double top. Let's clear this off a little bit. Let's clear it. Remove the angles over here. Let's give it, so it blew through the double top on the 5 minute doubles.
5 minute.
There was a cup and handle on the 1 minute. We could show that.
1 minute.
There goes your cup and handle. It pierced through that, and then it hit this resistance area and broke through it. But since then, it has been coming back down. So right now, you got two levels that we need to concern ourselves with right over here. 110. And right around there, 106. 106. Those are the areas that are of particular interest. Now, if the stonk should keep moving up, there will be a significant area of 144 that we would look at very closely. A salute, my queen. A salute. Yes. We're going to take a look at 144 as a significant resistance area. But right now, it's struggling to maintain itself above 106. I like the news on it. I do. 640% surge in revenue. I mean, that sounds kind of schmexy. I mean, it's schmexy news. But I don't see the volume really cooking like it needs to cook. It's not horrible. It's almost 19 million. But, you know, and the float's not bad, 4.7 million. But right now it's only up 54%, and it's very choppy. The price action is very choppy. Yeah. Maybe it'll grow up and be a nice stonk to trade later on. Let's see. Let's see, doubles. Let's see if it's something that we want to play with. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a show.
Hey!
This is not financial stock advice. We're not stock or financial advisors. We just schmexy, yo. We just schmexy. You know what it says in the corner of the screen, doubles? Not financial or stock advice. No. We're just schmexy. Time for some coffee with ice. Very good. Very good. All right, so this is forming a head and shoulders pattern over here. And I'm not really feeling that. No, not feeling. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this thing right here, right? And you can see over here, if we zoom in, it is forming a shoulder right over here. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Shoulder. Cabeza. And another lousy shoulder right over here. Yay. And it is doing a little bit of flusheroo over here. Maybe. That's what it looks like it's doing. Yay. So that's no bueno. So BOF, yeah, you ran a little bit earlier in the morning, but what have you done for me lately? What have you done for me lately? Let's go to BSLK one more time. BSLK, this is a weird stonk. Very weird. Went up 160% on basically no news, right? No news? Yeah. Float 5 million. Not a heck of a lot of volume if you consider it. Under 15 million. And it just moved like a Dickens, but you could see definitely a double top. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles.
The 5 minute.
And when we go to the 5-minute, you could clearly see that it double topped at around $5.48, and it has been consistently flushing downward ever since. So there you have it, folks.
There you have it.
We got one of our friends on Twitter laughing. Yeesh. I like that. I like when people laugh. We're trying to make you laugh. MTEK, new ticker to take a look at. What is it? Come on now. MTEK. Double tops. No bueno. No. See these wicks right here? We don't like those wicks. Right over there. Hold on, right there. Boom. That's a top. There's a top. No good. No bueno. We don't like that. Come on. Do it again. Right there. Bah. Not a lot of volume. Does it have any news? Let's see. First of all, the float is 4 billion. That is good. The volume, 173,000. That is bad. It's up 9%. Marish Tech announced financial results and net profit for the 6-month ending June 30th, 2024. That's old news. This morning, insider buying. Okay, all right, but you ain't got no volume, so not particularly interesting. Pita, pumpkinita, P-I-T-A. Pita, pumpkinita. You crashed and broke your neck.
No.
It broke its neck, I tell you. Look. It did this right here, see, right over there. So it needs to keep on curling. I mean, you could say that maybe it's trying to form an inverted head and shoulders, but there's just not enough volume to really validate that. So, yeah. Now, you got to do better than that. Show me some volume. You got significant resistance on VWAP, and you're nowhere near VWAP. It's like 17 million blocks away from you. You need your vitamins. Have some pita with hummus.
Yes.
Pita with hummus. It's got vitamins in it.
Hummus.
Volume. You need volume. QSJ.
Yes.
Q.
SG.
SJ, baby. And it is kind of trying to trend upward on very light volume. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, folks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, boom. And there it is. And it hit a high of $2.10. But on low volume. low volume, folks. Low volume. What's the story with QSG? Insider buying. The float is ridiculous at 26 million. That is disgusting, and only 74,000 shares trading hands. And you got a top tail. I'll pass. Yeah, okay. Right, yeah. Okay, all right. No bueno. How about KXIN? KXIN, currently up 10%. It's a 9-cent stock. It's going to be that volatile type of stonk. Very volatile. On August 27th, Cakeson receives NASDAQ delisting determination and submission of appeal. Float 34 million. Volume 4 million. And it's just consolidating. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated because it is just consolidating. It's channel time, doubles. 1, 2, 3, hit it! Channel time. It needs volume, baby. It needs volume. Not particularly interesting at this juncture. Let's go to AGRI. Another cheapo stonk. It's a cheapo one. Let's go zoom in the room. Let's go to the 1 minute doubles. And it's sold off. No bueno. The bull pennant turned out to be invalid. It could not hold the support area that we needed it to hold, and it is currently below VWAP. So we are going to go ahead and clear the drawings because you disappointed me. Yes, I agree. I agree that you disappointed me. Agree. So right now you got to get yourself above VWAP to even be worth considering. I know you have some news. You completed an acquisition of a Radical Clean Solutions. I have no idea what that is. 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Your float is heavy. 91 million. Volume 73 million. You are trying to curl. Could it be a descending wedge? Could it? I don't know. Let's draw it. Let's see. Could this be a descending wedge right here? Over here? And then maybe over there? Like that, right there. Could that be a descending wedge? And could we be seeing the beginning of a reversal? Time will tell. They got strong resistance at VWAP right around over here at 8.5 cents. We'll see. I mean, you're like one of these little cheapo stocks, so I'm going to keep you on the side chart just to check you out. JBDI, Head and Shoulders. No bueno. Heading downtown. No good. You need to try maybe uptown. A little bit of a curl. Are you trying to curl? Let's zoom in on this. It's trying to, but it just doesn't have a lot of volume. Look at this. Look at it. Not enough volume, doubles. I'm getting upset. I'm gonna have my non-espresso coffee.
Still think he's an imposter.
I gotta tell you, it's still not too bad. It's not bad, you know. Not bad, you know. Yeah, this is like a little bit too much over here, no? Yeah, you gotta fix that one day. Yeah, for me, you fix it. You know what I mean? You fix it. You fix it for me. Okay, so JBDI, I hate when it's like this, doubles. You know, it's like you want to have some action, and then of course when we're done with the stream, that's when it's gonna start popping. But you know what's starting to move right now? BOF broke the downtrend. It had that head and shoulders, and it's curling. So maybe this could be the beginning of a movement off of a descending wedge after a drop on a head and shoulders pattern. It's currently up 59% again. We got significant resistance at $1.10. We have a channel right over here, so we could go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated so we can draw the channel for y'all. Here we go. All right, so there's your channel. Price action is staying in there. This does have some good title. The news is a very interesting. It says Branch Out Food delivers shareholder update 2024. Revenue surges 640% in first half. Poised for continued growth and debt elimination by Q4 2025. I mean, it sounds shamexy. It's up 62%. The float is not bad, 4.7 million. Volume currently 21 million, and it's up at the resistance point. Can it push and push and break? Bottom tail, bottom tail. Here we go, baby. Here we go. 65%. Squeezy, squeezy, nice and easy. Come on now, 66%. $1.44 is a key area where the shorts would congregate. So if we get a little bit of acceleration and squeeze the shortsies out, they might try to regroup at $1.44, aka 144 pennies.
144 pennies.
144 pennies indeed. Oh, look at this. Look at here. It's pumping, it's pumping. Well, and it's doing the same thing it did before. Look at that. Wah, wah, wah. You're playing with my emotions, folks. You're playing with my emotions. We can see that the RSI is certainly in the overbought area, and we now see a terrible red candle in volume, and of course we see a top tail. No buenos, but we got what? 60 what out of it?
60. I think it went to 68.
68%. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. BOF, 68%. You couldn't even give me 69. Chancleta away, bushy tail specialist. Chancleta away. I'm talking about the percentage of the stonk. That's all I'm referring to. That's all I'm talking about. Okay. All right. We're at peace, right? Peace treaty? You're my friend, right, bushy tail? Yes? 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 The bushy tail specialist is my friend. Okay, let's see if this can stay above $1.10. It just doesn't have the right volume, man. It needs volume. Only 63,000 shares. All right, I'm gonna keep this one on a side chart, but you really are breaking my heart. You know, I mean, you got elements that should make you move more than this. You should be a bagger already. All right, I added the water. I put the fertilizer. Okay, all you need now is a little bit of volume. A little bit of volume, and you could grow up like your big sister, BSLK. It went up 161%. Okay? I mean, you're going to let your big sister outdo you? I mean, sometimes you got to make the siblings compete. You know what I mean? They got to compete. Can you give me a bottom tail?
Bottom tail.
Bottom tail, baby.
Bottom tail.
Come on. Do it. But you see the way it's moving? You see the way this candle's moving? That's telling me that there's no volume.
No volume.
No volume. When you see it do like the little flicker, like I'm on, I'm off. I'm on, I'm off. I'm on, I'm off. When I see that, I basically keep on moving because it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It's still cooking. VRAC. Wait. Wait. What you doing? You little sneak you. Come on. If it does this as it gets to $1.44, that's going to be very disconcerting to me because the shorts will just pile in. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, if it's not really taking off the way it needs to take off, this is going to be very trappy for folks. You know? You know?
By the way, every time you say you're going to leave the stock, it just starts trying to move.
I know. Maybe I should try again. I'm going to leave you. BOF, I'm going to leave you. Come on. Prove me wrong. Come on. I'm leaving you. Okay, I'm going to start typing now. Type. Oh, no, psych out. Psych. All right, forget about it. Put it on the side of the chart there, will you? Bushy tail, please. Thank you. VRAX, baby. VRAX tried to break out from this downtrend over here. Yeah, it tried to break out from this downtrend. VRAX is currently up 29%. Not particularly shamexy behavior on your part, BSLK. Can it come back? It went up 160%. It's broken through a little bit of this downtrend, but if we zoom in, it just doesn't look healthy. You could clearly see that it is bar coding. There's no news on this ticker. No news. No news. Ran 160% early in the morning, but what have you done for me lately? Dun dun dun. AGRI. AGRI. Falling apart. Falling apart. It did not do a descending wedge. It's not interesting at all. You need volume. Volume. You need to break this downtrend. You need volume. Volume. And to break this downtrend. How did I do, Thomas? How did I do?
Nice.
Yeesh. And then there's the VWAP over there. The VWAP is at about 8.5 pennies. So this is a cheapo stock. I bet you it gets some activity because it's so cheap. But the float is kind of heavy, 91 million. Volume 76 million. But if it gets a lot of volume, maybe we see some activity. Maybe a little bit. The BNZI, BNZI, little BNZI. Does it have some benzini for its BNZI? It broke the downtrend. Well, praise be, pray tell. Praise be, but you need to curl. And you're not curling yet, so not particularly interesting. Let's go back. Let's go back to BOF. BOF, you're disappointing me. I really thought that maybe you'd be schmexy. I don't know. But you're forming a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute. Let's clean this up a little bit. Let's clean this up because now you're at a different level. So let's go ahead and clean all this stuff up. And what I'm seeing over here is a shoulder, a head, and a terrible shoulder over here as well. And that oftentimes can mean a flush-aroo. We don't like flush-aroos. We wanted it to stay above $1.10. It did not. So now it could quite possibly do that. And we don't like that, doubles. No. No. We don't like that. So we'll come back to you maybe, because I'm giving you too many chances and you're disappointing me. Okay, how you gonna go to graduate school if this is the way you're performing? How? Tell me. Should I give it a little bit of the Italian guilt? Huh? Who's gonna respect you? Look at you. You're red. You're red. What an embarrassment! I didn't raise you that way. I didn't bring you up that way. All those Sunday, what is it called? Sunday classes, Sunday school, Sunday
dinner.
I don't know. I never did any of that stuff. Sunday school, all of that Sunday school stuff, whatever. I don't know. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I don't know. Anyway, BOF. Very disappointing. Not a lot of volume today. Dog days of August.
Yes.
Labor Day. Monday. Market closed. Yeah, so low volume.
Yes.
But I tell you what, the Fed is meeting middle of September. And they're suggesting, they're speculating that they might drop the interest rate. Ooh, that could be juicy for the microcap market. So I'm waiting for September. September rain, baby. September rain. Raining money. Peter's curling. Peter, pumpkin eater, curling.
Why you gotta make me hungry for Peter Bear?
I know, for real. Look. Peter broke through the downtrend. Not a lot of volume on Peter. Up only 15%. Float 12 million. Volume only 4 million. Kind of, I don't know. They had news yesterday. In the morning. It ran yesterday. This is like a continuation type of situation. But Haramba Electric gets $26 million e-mobility contract. That's the story. With Seattle, Washington area. That's the story. Okay, it broke the downtrend, but at this point, okay, all right. You know what I'm going to go back to? BOF, trying to break the 110 resistance area. Let's zoom in. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. Come on now. What are you going to do? You're still going downtown. Still downtown. We would need to see the teal, or as Doubles likes to call it, what's the color again? Crayon, Ceon. Scion?
Sion.
Scion. We would need to see the Scion or teal line right here curl upward, and we're not seeing it. What we got is a Head and Shoulders, and you are quite wiki. Okay, you see what it just did right here?
Yeah.
Not trustworthy. I'm not even going to talk to you right now. You're upsetting me so much, I don't even want to talk about it. BOF. Forget about it. Forget about it. We can't talk. We can't. I just can't. Peter. Moving.
Peter.
Not a lot of volume on Peter, but it is breaking out somewhat, so we got it on a side chart. Doubles?
Side chart.
Got it on a side chart. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. BSLK trying to curl a little bit. You know, it's trying. Again, it's trying to move towards the VWAP. Trying to move towards the VWAP, kind of, sort of, but it's not really accelerating. So it's not that interesting. No. VREX. Monkey stock. The monkey stock. Monkey. All right, so this one had a Head and Shoulders. It did a little bit of a flusheroo over here. Now it looks like it has a double top over here. It's just having a hard time breaking through 640. You know what I mean? So let's clean this up a little bit. Let's clean it up. Doubles, we're going to clean it up a little bit, yeah?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and clean it. So we got a top over here. We got a top over here. We got a top over here. Come on, give it to me. Right there. And then I would say we have another top right here. So you got quadruple tops. Bearish. Yeah. Nah. I'm just not feeling it. Doubles. Not feeling it. Nah. No, just not. Just not. Not. I'm not feeling it. DBL Moms, you got any new ones for me? Anything? Anything you see that makes you gander, or whatever it's called?
Well, just a couple of
The scanners, but nothing. A-L what? A-L-C-E. A-L-C-E, like that? Yeah? Oh, no. Okay, all right. You relax there, bushy tail. You relax, okay? Yeah, take it easy. Take it easy. You can't give me stuff that does around the corner and down the woods. We don't want those. We want the juicy ones. We want juicy ones. All right. You know what? Let's go to let's try QSG. There's not much really cooking today.
Yeah.
DBL next. Not much. Oh my goodness. It broke the downtrend. Forget about it. Forget about it. What are you doing? You embarrassing me here. No good. No bueno, man. No bueno. I'm upset. I'm upsetty spaghetti. BOF, you are playing with my emotions. You're trying to test the higher day while I'm not watching you. You thought I wouldn't see that? You thought that I was going to miss that? Come on now. All right, so you broke the downtrend on the Head and Shoulders. You're still moving slow and choppy. You're still very dangerous. Dangerous. Cardinal official, call me up. Sponsorship. I don't know if he could even sponsor me, but call me up anyway because I like your music. I'm just saying. I like your music. I like it. Yeah, Cardinal. Cardinal. And Acon. Icon. The Acon. Yeah, like that. Okay, so BOF, not a lot of volume. Not a lot of volume. Should have been taken off. But it's not taking off. No. But it's now above the 110. And can it hold the 110? Didn't I say this last time? It's got to hold the 110. You got strong resistance at 144. It is generally trending upward, so we can get the trend line going over here. Let's go ahead and get that trend line. By the way, folks, do you notice that my mouse is working? I got a brand new mouse, folks. I got a brand new one, ladies and gentlemen. I got a new mousy mouse. And it's working. It's working. Let's clean up this Head and Shoulders. I don't like it. I don't want to see it. I want it out of here. Out. Head and Shoulders. Out. Okay. We're going to clean this up. Can it stay above the trend line? It's failing the trend line. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. What is this nonsense? You're being silly. Are you forming a double top? You are. You silly bird. What is wrong with you? Come on. You got a nice title. Yeah, you dressed up nice. You put a nice suit on. The suit says 2024 revenue surges 640%. You float. It ain't so bad. 4.7 million. Volume 26 million.
Yeah.
But you can't go parabolic. You can't go parabolic. The best you can do is 69%. Listen, I respect it. Don't get me wrong. DBL moms, put the chocolate away. I'm talking to the folks. I'm talking to the noble brides. Relax. Relax. Okay. Back to what I was saying. You gave me 69%. That's okay. But you can't give me 100%, 200%. You can't get enough volume. Is that what's going on here? You only need a little bitty itty bitty volume, a little itty bitty more. Little itty bitty more, right? Because you're a 4.7 million float. That's low. That's low. You're giving me a title that tells me that you got your earnings or your revenue surged 640%. I mean, this is stuff to brag about. No, no. I mean, I don't particularly think that the sector that you're in is that interesting, and maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe that's it. I don't know. But right now you got to double top, and I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. And every time I move away, you start creeping back up, and you lure me back in again. You lure me.
They're dangerous.
You're a tease, I tell you, BOF. You're a tease. You're teasing with my emotions. I want to take you off my side chart because you're upsetting me. I'm upsetty spaghetti.
They're getting taken off the side chart.
I almost want to do it,
How dare?
but I won't do it.
Oh my God.
I won't do it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna keep BOF on
He
the side chart.
contemplated it.
But if you mess with me, I will.
He will.
I'm gonna have my
Nobody's
coffee
ever
now.
been taken off the side chart.
I'm going to have my coffee ice because I am
shame.
very, very upset with BOF. Very upset.
Fish.
Man. That
Eh.
coffee was pretty good though. Let me tell you that moms, DBL moms, you make the best coffee. Can we do like Eskimos and kiss by doing nosy, nosy, nosy? Let's do nosy, nosy. Nosy, 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 nosy. She's such a little bushy tail. Oh, she's so cute. She's cute. All right. That's filler, folks. That's filler because there's nothing moving. You got it? Okay? I just figured I'd point that out, okay? I didn't really do a nosy, nosy, okay? We've been married too long for that, okay? When you get married for a long time, you know what I mean? Long time. Long time. Long time. No? No? No, no. Nah, we actually did do nosy, nosy. I just didn't want to sound too mushy. I get too mushy sometimes. Too mush. Too mush.
Too much emotion.
All right. Listen, BOF, I'm trying to buy you some time. All right? Come on. Do something for me, will you? Come on. Help. Curl. We need you to curl. Ladies and gentlemen, we need you to curl, but this is not moving at all. It only has 11,000 shares on this candle, so this is kind of pathetic. Kind of meh. Yeah. BNZI. That's it. I had enough of you. BNZI. Curling to the 200. Curling to the 200. Still not a lot of volume. Still barcoding. Still got resistance at the 200 EMA. 200 EMA. Still some resistance there. Okay, whatever. Let's go to AGRI. AGRI. It is curling towards VWAP. That's good. That's good. It broke the downtrend doubles. It broke the downtrend. Still not a ton of volume on this one. It is a cheapo stock, so it will be extremely volatile. 8.5 pennies would be a significant resistance area for it. Yeesh. I could put like another drawing too. Why not? Let's put another drawing. Let's go right there. And this is a significant area right over here of 5 cents and a half, and it is way above that. So that's good. That's good. It just doesn't have the volume. It needs volume. I mean, this could be a descending wedge if it gets volume, but it is below VWAP. So, like that. I'm not in love with you, AGRI. I'm sorry. You just don't you don't check all the boxes for me. You don't. You gotta be perfect like the Bushtail Serengeti Specialist, my one and only DBL Moms. Hey! That's right. She's special. Hey. You're so special. You're the special. You're the special. Yeesh. kind of like wonton soup, egg roll with pork fried rice. Pork fried rice. That's a special.
You make me hungry.
I don't know, man. I'm just. We gotta find a good Chinese restaurant here, by the way.
There's a bunch, actually.
Are they really?
Yeah.
I mean, I should always listen to you because you know where all the good Chinese and Japanese ones are at. Yeah, you know where they're at.
I know that.
I'm gonna check it out with you one day. You know.
Favorite cuisines.
Yes, they are your favorite cuisines. Yes, yes. But the stonks are not moving right now, so okay. I'm a little bothered by that. Let's go to BSLK.
BSLK.
Boy, I can't wait until September comes so that the market starts opening up again. I'm just saying. The dog days of August stink. They're not bad for the beach, though. I could work on my tan.
Ooh.
I could work on my tan. Yes.
Good for the tan.
August is good for the tan. It's good for jet skiing.
Jet ski.
It's good for body
Jet
surfing.
ski, yeah, the jet ski.
It's good for sharks in the water. Yeah, all that stuff.
Yeah,
all that stuff. Yeah. Dun-dun, dun-dun,
I
dun-dun.
don't care what anybody says. I'm not rubbing a shark's belly. It's not happening.
No belly rubbing for sharks.
They're
No,
not puppies. Okay.
they're not.
Yeah.
They're not. VRAX. Let's check that one out again. VRAX. VRAX.
T-Rex.
All right. A bunch of tops. Looks like it's going to go south of the border. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like it's going south of the border. All right, folks. So that's going to be the show on social media. We're going to take it to the Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a link in the description and in the pinned comment if you'd like to join us in the Discord where we call a lot of bangers a lot of times. Today was a slow day, and we still called BSLK early in the morning before it ran 161%. We also called JBDI 87%. I'm embarrassed to say it was under 100%, but it was 87%. Hashtag not a 10% runner.
No 10% runner.
SVRE 65%, BNZI 71%, ACAC 73%, and BOF 68%.
68%.
All right, so that's the type of stuff that we do. We monitor small caps from 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nobody does it better. So if you'd like to check us out in action and see our live stream where we're a lot more serious in the Discord, the link is in the description for a 5-day trial, and it's also in the pinned comment. It's $1.
$1.
And then it's $49.99. This special for $1 for 5 days is going bye-bye real soon. So if you're contemplating joining the Discord, do it sooner rather than later because it's going to go bye-bye very, very soon. We had it for a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe to the YouTube channel, please, 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 and listen to this young man, please.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded, and remember to share.
Because sharing is caring, and of course you can follow us on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money,
At Coaching Money.
at Coach Nick Money, and of course Twitch at Coach Nick Money,
At Coaching Money.
at Coach Nick Money, and of course we are also on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. It is Coach Nick Money, so make some money.
Yay.
And I'm with my compatriot,
DBL Nicks in the house.
aka,
The Rainmaker.
and then of course the secret weapon. I'm pulling her out right now. We call her the bushy-tailed Serengeti specialist. She's the one, the only, constantly on the Serengeti, searching for the next parabolic stunk runner for the indelible pride, DBL Moms. Yeah, baby, yeah.